What's up, everybody? This is Chad from Skinny Sledz, and I'm here to show you what you need to mount your beast bowl to your sled or side-by-side. As you can see here, we have a couple of extensions, one long one and one short one, and that's so that we can get an angle on this thing. I just kind of have it snugged down in one of them right now, but you'll need one of these mounts from Ram, which is the basically the U-bolt pipe clamp mount, and you're going to put it on this pole so that it fits to this extension arm right here. You will need a 9/16 inch socket and a wrench. Of course, this goes in the bottom to protect. Goes on here, through there, and you put the nuts on it. It's pretty simple. And then you can adjust these wherever you need them to fit and all that good stuff. Kind of want to get a good feel for it, and then you can slide this up and down, to wherever angle that you want it. Of course, if you pull it through, it's going to be a sharper angle. See that? Then when you get it set where you want it, you tighten it all down and you're good to go.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more, and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving along. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fakes that the game has been passing.